Hello everyone, welcome to my guide on how to invest in the index funds for passive income. If you are new to investing or looking for low maintenance way to grow your money, you are on the right way. So what are index funds? Simply put, they are a type of investment fund what tracks a specific market index, like a S&P 500, which represents a broad range of stocks. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, you invest in the entry index, spreading your risks around many countries or many companies if you taking a specific index fund. Here's how you can start investing in index funds for passive income. First, understand basics. Before diving in, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals. Take some time to learn about stocks, bonds, and how stock market works. Don't worry, you don't need to be financial expert to get started. Second, set your investment goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Whatever it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or just building wealth over time, having clear goals will guide your investment strategy. Third, choose the right index funds. There's many index funds out there, each tracking different indices and charging different fees. Look for funds with low expense ratio, and these fees can eat into your returns over time. Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab are popular providers known for their low-cost index funds. Fourth, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in a mix of index funds covering different sectors and regions. This diversification can help you reduce your overall risks. Fifth, stay consistent. Investing is a long-term game. Rather trying to time the market or chase quick gains, focus on consistently investing portion of your income over time. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, I have a video on this topic, can help out the ups and downs of market. Sixth, reinvest your dividends. Many index funds pay dividends, which are a portion of the profits distributed to investors. Instead of pocketing these dividends, consider reinvesting them back into a fund to compound your returns over time. Seventh, monitor and rebalance. Periodically review your portfolio to ensure it's still aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance your investments if necessary, buying more of what underperforming and selling some of what overperforming to maintain your desired assets allocation. Remember, investing in index funds isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about steadily building wealth over time through the power of compounding and passive income. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stick to your plan. And there you have it. Now you equipped with the knowledge to start investing in index funds for passive income and for building wealth. Happy investing, friends! Don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe, click the notification bell to see the next video update. Bye!